Bitcoin Money certainly has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, which in every practical sense is very huge in spite of mainstream thinking. BCH USD exchanges close $111.36 in an unpretentious way. BCH USD pair exchanging underneath AMA in an unpretentious way amazingly. The ongoing exchanging volume of Bitcoin Money certainly is at $64,083,432, which sort of is genuinely critical in an exceptionally huge manner. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Bitcoin Money cost examination for now or for the following week and fundamentally explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time for the most part gotten clarification on something. What explicitly is especially transient cost expectation for Bitcoin Money. Fundamentally is BCH a by and large wise venture, or so they in a real sense basically thought. Bitcoin Money support and obstruction levels and so on, which is genuinely critical. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the BCH specialized examination, generally truly let us certainly discuss the really current economic situations in an extremely significant manner, which by and large is very critical. Market examination over the very in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there truly generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the all things considered whole cryptographic money market to $1,06973,065,872, or so they especially thought. The essentially all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $25,050,644,957 incredibly. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33%, or so they generally thought, which actually for the most part brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as ETHEREUM fundamentally has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very huge in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39. Following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span, showing that the reasonably truly complete exchanging volume explicitly sort of stands at $25,050,644,957, which essentially is very critical in a truly significant manner. XRP, the very especially local coin of XRP basically in a real sense is up by 1.93 and right now exchanging at 53 cents, or so they all things considered thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is genuinely critical. These occasions especially show that the market by and large is going in a descending course for especially transient in a sort of exceptionally enormous manner. As of now, a fundamentally broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how as of now, a general really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin Money backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every practical sense are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally really distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which certainly is genuinely critical. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers explicitly especially become kind of more actually quite dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking, which especially is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction for the most part sort of is a level at which merchants sort of commonly become move kind of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which basically shows that BCH USD pair exchanging underneath AMA, or so they by and large basically thought. Following are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin Money execution. The truly current Bitcoin Money cost really is $111.36, with an exchanging volume of $64,083,432 in the by and large beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. As of now, BCH generally is somewhere near 0.81% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $2,162,082,160 USD, which explicitly shows that the especially current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Money especially is at $64,083,432 in a kind of significant manner in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside an everyday time period sort of in every practical sense, made sense of underneath. Kind of additional appearance how following all things considered. are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money. Bitcoin money execution. The very current Bitcoin money cost explicitly is $111.36, with an exchanging volume of $64,083,432 in the exact beyond 24 hours, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an especially significant way, or so they in a real sense thought. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving kind of certainly normal intermingling and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including really straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving pretty fundamentally normal to fundamentally investigate the future development of the Bitcoin money, showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the BCH specialized examination, certainly for the most part allowed us basically to discuss the kind of current economic situations, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking, which by and large is genuinely huge. While BCH's Williams %R marker in a real sense by and large is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. By exchange fundamentally signal in every practical sense, especially entirely conceivable at this reach, which explicitly is very critical. The truly sort of relative strength record shows that the BCH coin entirely is an oversold stage, as RSI especially is at 25. Which for the most part in a real sense is genuinely huge in an essentially enormous manner. The main help level for Bitcoin money generally is at $103.42, while the fundamentally second one especially is at $97.18. So the genuinely relative strength file shows that the BCH coin really is an oversold stage, as RSI basically essentially is at 25, which most certainly is genuinely critical. While taking about obstruction, the BCH generally has R1 and R2 at $114.47, $119.28 individually, which basically shows that right now, a sort of truly broad, truly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how as of now, a very for the most part broad, pretty fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The MACD line, especially in every way that really matters, is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid kind of additional appearance. How the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for all things considered. 1 week from now and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time sort of clarified pressing issues. What for the most part is by and large transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money, essentially is BCH a fundamentally wise venture, which truly is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money financial backers need to sort of sit tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day diagram. So the especially current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money explicitly fundamentally is at $64,083,432, or so they especially thought. Ends the worth of BCH essentially is constantly unloading, however it by and large sort of is normal that help levels at $103.42 and $97.18 will go about as pivotal focuses. For the most part, the pattern line in the bullish side